Hello, students. I hope you all have read the chapter A True Friend. So, now we have finished reading the chapter. We will take up with the difficult words and their meanings. So, the first word is ashamed. What is the meaning of ashamed, children? It is feeling guilty. When you do something wrong, you feel guilty, you feel bad. That feeling is called being ashamed. If you are feeling bad for something wrong you have done, you feel ashamed. Next word is bitterly. Bitterly means it is a negative feeling which represents anger or disappointment. When you are not happy with something, or when you are so angry, you are very sad, or you are very afraid of something, then you feel, then you the feeling that comes to you is bitter feeling. In the chapter, Rahul cried bitterly. Why he cried bitterly? Because the principal of his school has warned him. He had given him the last chance. That's why he cried bitterly. In this case, he cried bitterly the strong negative feeling of afraid. He was afraid. Strong negative feeling of fear. Next word is athletics. We know, we have read in the chapter that both the friends, Rahul and Raj, were good at athletics. Both were good in running and other sports. So athletics are sports basically, such as running, jumping, swimming. There are many games that comes under the category of athletics. Running, jumping are part of athletics. Their sports day was coming and both were competing in a race. Next word is fault. Fault is a mistake, something wrong that someone does. Okay, in the chapter, Rahul dig a hole for Raj so that he could not win the race. That was his fault. Next word is pit. Pit is a large hole that is dug in the ground. Rahul dug a pit or a hole in the ground so that Raj fell into it and falls into it and he could not win the race. Next word is admitted. Admit means to accept the truth. In the chapter, Rahul admitted his fault. He admitted his mistake that he dug a hole. He cheated so that he could win the race. Next is determine. Determine is when you decide something very strongly, very firmly. When you decide something very firmly and you don't change your decision. In the chapter, Rahul was determined to win the race. Realized. Realized means to be fully aware of something. In the chapter, Rahul realized his mistake, he realized his fault. He was aware that he cheated upon his friend Raj to win the race. Next word is apologized. To apologize means to say sorry for something wrong that you have done. To admit your mistake and then apologize means to realize your mistake and then say sorry. Next word is secure. Secure means to make something safe or to get. In this case, in the chapter, Rahul was supposed to secure good marks. His principal asked him to secure good marks in the term end examination. So here, secure means to make something safe, that is to get good marks. Next is betray. Betray is to cheat, to hurt somebody who trusts you, to break someone's trust or faith. If someone trusts you so much, like in the chapter, Raj trusted his best friend Rahul. He never thought that Rahul would do something like this to win the race, but Rahul betrayed him. He cheated him. When Rahul stops talking to Raj, he tries to avoid Raj. Whenever Raj comes to talk to him, he just puts him off. He makes some excuse or other so that he could avoid him. So, these are the word meanings from the chapter. I hope you all have understood. Write them in your notebook. One line you have to make a one line notebook in class 4 for English, and you will start writing these words. I have also posted difficult words from this chapter which you will write in your notebook. First, you will write the difficult words in your notebook, and then you will write the word meanings in your notebook. After this, I will be giving you the frames to frame sentences from some of these words. I hope you have understood the meaning of these words so that it becomes easier for you to frame sentences with them. That's all for now. Bye bye.